What's up, my LoRyders? Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. And that's also how you become an official LoRyder. You guys almost did not get a vlog for today, for Vlogtober. I'm gonna tell you why. Yesterday, my last customer was supposed to be here at 8:30. I misread the text. She was picking up her daughter at 8:30 and she was supposed to be here by 9. 8:45 came. She said, "Oh, I didn't know you lived so far away. The GPS said I'll be there in 4 minutes." 4 minutes came and went. She got to my house at like 10:45. If it was not for her daughter having school pictures taken, it was her granddaughter. Her granddaughter having school pictures taken, I would have not opened the door. I would have not, but I was already so tired, and I still had to put up yesterday's vlog, and I had to edit it and schedule it, and I didn't get done with the little girl's hair until around like 11. Let me see, about 11:30, and I was so tired. I said, okay, let me eat something because I'm hungry too. That was where I went wrong. I should not have eaten, because after I ate, I started editing the video and I fell asleep. Again, this is the second night in a row that I fell asleep editing a video. So with that being said, when I woke up, I hadn't finished editing the video. My MacBook was dead. And then I got a text from my customer saying that I'm here, which usually means she's getting out of the car. I totally forgot that she was coming today. And today means Vlogmas Day 8. Yeah. Today, well, yeah, yesterday was Vlogmas Day 8. So, well, it's today, because now I'm recording Vlogmas Day 9s. And I was like, wow, the computer still hadn't charged up. And at the, child, it was a lot. But I got her done. She was on time. And while she was under the dryer drying, I finished the vlog. It uploaded at 10 o'clock yesterday. So with that being said, I got it done, and I was so tired. So when I finished her, I didn't do anything. I tried to take a nap, but I couldn't sleep. So I just laid in the bed. I've been binge watching Zatima. I'm on the third or fourth season. If it's not the fourth, it's the third. If it's not the fourth, it's the third. And I'm on episode 3. Check, you guys, I love that show. But anyway, enough about that. I was supposed to make a wig today, but I didn't. And I want to show you guys the free hair that I got, the brand of it that I got from that beauty supply that opened up. I told you guys about. They had a little contest, the first 50 people or whatever. So yeah, this is the hair. This is the kind of hair. And it came with and wait, I'm sorry you guys. This hair is unprocessed, 100% Remy hair. It comes with a 10, 11, and 12 inch bundles. And this is the hair. And I don't know if I want to make a wig with it or not. The hair feels really good. To say they was giving it away for free, but I'm gonna shampoo it before I do it. I don't know if I was gonna make a wig with it with this closure, this closure, or if I was just gonna do a sew-in on myself. I don't know, you guys, because I'm really sick of these wigs. I might just end up doing a sew-in. And yeah, I'm thinking, do I want it layered? Do I know what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the 10 inch at the bottom, the 12 inch in the middle, and the 14 inch at the top, so they'll all meet down, and it'll just be big and just wavy, simple, and leave a little bit of leave out. That's what I'm gonna do with this hair. But I'm not gonna do that tonight. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. So it won't be in tomorrow's vlog, but it'll be in the next day's vlog. And with that being said, you guys, I did record something for Vlogtober. I haven't missed a day. It didn't say how long or how short, But I'm just coming to like to let you guys know out of respect, because y'all be watching this stuff, to let you guys know what's going on. So yeah, you're getting this short vloggy vlog. And tomorrow it'll be longer, because I'm gonna, whatever I'm gonna do with this hair, you guys will know on Friday for sure. It might end up being a wig, because I'm having a hard time braiding my hair. I wish I never cut it off, because it's shorter and like it's hard for me to catch in my hair. I've never been good at braiding and doing stuff to my own hair anyway. So with that being said, it might just end up being a wig. So I will see you in the next vloggy vlog. Oh, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. And that's how you also become an official LoRyder. See you guys in the next one. Stay blessed.